here is a wild data point to start us off. Watch time for YouTube videos about cast and characters jumps 75% year over year. Viewers latch onto recognizable faces, even if those faces are AI generated. Hey, Kay here with Vidpros. Let's build a repeatable system for consistent on-screen characters with Canva's AI video tool powered by Google Veo 3. I'll show you how to use Veo 3 in Canva to lock a character's look across episodes and package clips that boost watch time and subs. First off, let's talk about why characters matter. Think about your favorite shows or YouTubers. You recognize them instantly because of consistent faces, styles, or personalities. The same rule applies to AI-generated characters. A recurring character gives your channel personality, builds trust, and makes people come back for more. Familiarity is the shortcut to loyalty. What Canva's AI with Veo 3 can do. Inside Canva, you'll find the Create a Video Clip feature powered by Google's Veo 3. It can generate short cinematic clips with dialogue, background sound, and music in one shot. That means you don't just get visuals, you get a whole package that looks polished. These clips are ready to edit inside Canva with your brand colors, text overlays, and captions. It's like hiring a tiny production studio that lives inside your browser. Building your character Bible. Here's the trick. Consistency starts before you hit generate. You need a character Bible. Think of it as the DNA of your character that you'll paste into every prompt. 1. Identity. Describe the look, age, style, outfit, and signature props. 2. Personality. 3 adjectives, 1 flaw, and 1 clear goal. 3. Voice, tone, pacing, accent, and a sample line. 4. Cinematography, camera angle, lens, lighting, and vibe. 5. Color anchors, 2 colors tied to your brand. 6. Movement, distinct gestures or expressions. 7. Negative cues, things you never want, like no glasses or no tattoos. Write this once, then reuse it. That's how your character looks the same in every episode. Your Canva workflow for consistency. Step 1. Generate your base clips. Paste your character Bible into Canva's Create a Video Clip. Keep the camera's direction consistent. Medium shot, chest up, eye level works great. Step 2. Brand lock-in. Apply your Canva brand kit. Fonts, colors, and overlays should match your channel every time. Step 3. Save prompt variations. Make 4 versions. Hook, explain, react, call to action. Keep the character identity the same. Just change the action. Step 4. Build a scene bank. Pick a handful of go-to backgrounds. A desk setup, rooftop at dusk, neon arcade, studio, and coffee shop. Rotate between them so your content feels fresh but still familiar. Step 5. Thumbnail strategy. Grab stills from your favorite character shots. Use them consistently in your thumbnails with the same headline style and colors. That makes your channel instantly recognizable in search and suggested feeds. If you want to post more without living in your editor, we bring you a shortcut. Let our team at Vidpros handle it so you can focus on your ideas. Advanced tricks for stronger consistency. Batching. Create multiple clips in one session so your character stays visually consistent. Reference images. When possible, feed Canva or Veo a still of your character to keep details tight across videos. Sound control. Use the AI dialogue for quick drafts, but if you want your own voice, mute the audio and record your voiceover on top. Just keep your mic settings the same every time. Make the characters work harder. Consistency isn't just about looks, it's about performance. First 8 seconds. Use your character for bold claims or eye-catching actions right away. Recurring arcs. Plan short storylines across 2 to 3 videos so viewers have a reason to return. Captions and lower thirds. Stick to 1 caption style, 1 accent color. Audiences subconsciously notice and trust that. Episode structure. Number your videos, reuse and-screen layouts, and build playlists with your characters leading the way. The payoff? When your character stays consistent, 3 things happen. People recognize your videos faster, they spend longer watching, and your brand feels more professional. Think of it like building your own mini-universe. Once your audience connects with that character, they'll follow them from episode to episode. You do not need a studio to look like one. Canva with VO3 gives you cinematic clips with native audio in a single prompt, and the editor handles the polish. If you want help turning those clips into tight upload-ready episodes, Vidpros can cut the pacing, layer subtitles, and dial in the sound so your character feels alive across the entire series. If you are ready to scale while you focus on ideas, reach out for a quick consultation and a simple production plan. Ready to make your channel star unforgettable? Let's build your first character Bible today.